Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to edit your phone number on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. With the latest update, this process has become more straightforward, and I'm here to walk you through each step. First, open your X account on your PC. In the side menu, look for the More option and click on it. This will reveal a list of menu items. Next, find and click on Settings and Privacy. Once you're in the settings, navigate to the Your Account tab. Here, you'll see an option labeled Account Information. Click on that to proceed. Now, it's time to update your phone number. Look for the Phone option and give it a click. Beneath your current phone number, you'll notice an Update Phone Number option. Go ahead and click on that to start the updating process. You'll be prompted to enter your password for security purposes. After entering your password, click Next to continue. Now, you can update your phone number. Input your new number and click Next. X will then send a verification code to your new phone number via SMS text message. Grab your phone and check for the code. Once you have it, enter the code in the verification box and click Verify. And that's it. You've successfully updated your phone number on X using your PC. It's that simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.